Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to do a quick video about the latest items that I have purchased from Zara. So if you're interested to know what those items are, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hi, my name is Roma and it is so nice to meet you. In this channel, I do videos about luxury as well as some contemporary items, and I do some from time to time about motherhood lifestyle. So if you're into those topics, please consider liking this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, so without further ado, I am going to share with you guys the different items that I have recently purchased from Zara. I also made a reel about the unboxing. I'm going to put the card just right there, as well as a link in the description down below, so check it out if you haven't already. And I'm going to put the references of all the items that I have purchased in the description down below. Just to let you know, some of these items are already on sales and some of it are still in a normal price. So yeah, these are, I've called them my summer essentials because most of these items really suits well the current weather. But of course, you can always use it, well, at least I will use it anytime, to be honest. I think that they can be used or they are wearable even if it's not summer. It could be spring or it could be fall. But anyways, I'm just going to show you first the only outfit that I have purchased in this package, and that will be first and foremost this beautiful sleeveless top, which is stripes, like what I'm currently wearing as well. So what I like about this is that, as you can see, it's very airy and it's knitted, and yeah, it has buttons there, so I like the style. So this one, I got it in a size small and it retailed for 17 euros and 95 or 18 euros. And then with that, I also purchased the shorts that it came with, and also size small. I think it only comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, large. Yeah, small, medium, and large. And this one also was 18 euros. So yeah, I took the size small. I think this will be very great, yeah, during the summer season, on vacation as well. Yeah, I can pair it together or, you know, mix and match. So yeah, so these two each are 18 euros. And then the second item that I'm going to show you guys are actually shoes. And that's the reason why I am doing this video, is because these two pair of shoes are, in a certain way, I purchased them because they reminded me of 2 luxury brands. So we're going to start with the one that I have shown on the reel, which was something that I really went and tried first at the boutique, and then once I knew my size, I purchased it online. And those are the sandals. This gladiator sandals that I purchased in the color brown, but I think it only exists in brown. This one, I have paid it 69.95, but I think this one is currently on sales here in Belgium and it's 49.95. And I really wanted this one because this reminded me of the Celine Clea Triomphe Gladiator chunky sandals. And yeah, I wanted that one. I think it's even on my wish list, but the price tag is too expensive. I think it's around 820 euros in that region, and this one was only 70 euros. I know I'm not really a dupe person, but in this, yeah, because I have purchased a lot of sandals lately, I have purchased my 2 Hermeses as well. I'm going to put the card right there for the video, as well as the link in the description down below, so you can check those videos out. So I was like, yeah, I've already purchased 2 sandals, so I don't know if I will be able to purchase a 3rd one with that price tag. So I was like, okay, I saw this, really almost the same. The only difference is there's no, Celine logo. I've tried it out and I got it in the size 35. In general, I am a 35.5, but at Zara they don't have the half sizes. So I've tried the 35 and this was perfect. Not too big, not too small, because I think the 36 will be a tad bit big. So yeah, I've tried it and perfect. So yeah, I was like, okay, a nice dupe. So for those of you who are looking for, something that looks like the Clé à Triomphe from Celine, you have this from Zara. If you still got the chance to try them out or purchase them, go get it. And then, yeah, maybe once I'm very satisfied with it, maybe I'll purchase the Celine one in the future. Who knows? But for now, I'm very satisfied with this one. I'm going to make some mod shots. Either I can put it in this video, or maybe I'll do a reel, or you can see it on my Instagram account. So don't forget to check my Instagram account, where I also post some OOTD, or how I wear the different items on a daily basis. So there you go. So yeah, this is one of the reasons why I absolutely wanted to make this video, to show you that there's this, yeah, dupe for the Celine sandals. Oh yeah, just to show you how it looks like in front. You have those detailing. Nice, huh? I think this is very nice. So that's the part, and then that's how the sides looks like, and then the bottom part is like that. I think I'm going to wear it, with a lot of things. Skirt, dresses, pants, shorts. But of course, this is mainly a casual look pair of shoes, sandals. So yeah, so that's one thing. And then the second one that I wanted to share with you, which also reminded me of a luxury brand that I already have, that looks like as well, is this pair of sandals, which is this one. This one is the one in the color taupe gray, and this is the inexpensive one of the lot, because I think at Zara they do have the brown one that really looks like the orange sandals from Hermès. Yeah, I know. I already have the brown one, the Hermès one, and I wanted the second one, but I was like, I don't know if I'm going to put money on the Hermès one. So I was still debating. I wanted to try the black one from Zara, but at the end of the day, I was eyeing this one, the taupey one. It's quite nice. And this one is a rubberized. Unlike the other ones at Zara, I think they are leather also. Those are 30 euros, but this one is 20 euros, so 10 euros less. But this one is rubber, and I've tried it. Oh my gosh, so smooth. My size, again, is, like I've mentioned, 35, because they don't have half size, because yeah, I am a 35.5 true to size. But I've tried this, also perfect sizing. So yeah, I've purchased it once it was available online, because very hard to find, weirdly enough. But yeah, like I mentioned, it exists in brown, in black, in gold, silver, orange, or something like that. I'm going to put everything on the site that I can find from Zara. But yeah, so I purchased this one to, kind of reminded me of the Hermès orange sandals. I will try this. Check out, and especially, like I mentioned, this is rubberized, so even if it will rain, it will be perfect during vacation, at the pool, everything. Less hassle than the real Hermès Oran. So yeah, so again, for those of you who are, not yet ready to splurge on the Hermès Oran price tag, you have the Zara one. And then lastly, also, but this one, it's not shoes, it's actually a handbag. And this handbag also, I think today is a dupe video. This one reminded me of, I'm going to show it to you first, and then I'll let you know I'll let you decide which handbag do you think it's a dupe for. And it is this handbag. I've purchased this in the color brown. I think apparently it exists in black. I haven't seen it in black, or maybe, but it doesn't really, you know, pop up. This was the color that popped up for me. Why? Because I wanted to pair it with the sandals. There you go. So yeah, I wanted this one because this one reminded me of the one from Dior, which is the Dior Bobby bag. Okay. I know it doesn't have, you know, the CD logo whatsoever, but I mean the shape and everything kind of reminds me of that. It mainly reminded me of the Dior Bobby bag. Why? Because of that strap here. And what I like about this one is Zara proposed also a personalization. You can personalize it. So I put my first name and my last name here. So it's wow. I like it a lot. And this one cost $39.95. But of course, with the personalization, I think it's around €2 or €3. It cost in total around 41 or 42 euros, which is not that much in comparison to the Dior Bobby bag. So let's say the medium Dior Bobby bag, which currently retails for $3,800. No, yeah, you know, no comparison in this. So yeah, just going to show how it looks like. So the inside is, you have a magnetic closure there. You also have, another strap, leather strap. And then the inside, let me just have a look. The inside looks like this. Wait, just a sec. I'm going to take it off. Oh, it reminded me of my APC bag as well. So you have 3 compartments, 1, 2, and a third one here. And then the inside, you have a zipper there for the cards or something. And the inside is textile. So yeah, I like it. I love it. And just for 40 euros, oh my gosh, perfect. I can wear it, you know, casually with this big nylon strap, or I can also wear it more formally with a leather strap. So yeah, very satisfied, very happy. And the finishing also, I'm just checking out. Of course, it's not the same as the other high-end or luxury brand, but for what it is, I think it's really great. So yeah, a very good purchase. I will let you know what I think about it once I have used it for quite a while. So yeah, this with this, oh my gosh. So yeah, and then this one, I think I'm going to pair it with my Pollen numero 10 because it's kind of like the same color or so. So yeah, those were my latest purchase from Zara, which I'm very happy and excited to use them, wear them, and there you have it. So there you go, guys. That was my, I hope, quick video about my latest purchase from Zara. If this video has entertained you in a certain way, please like this video, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And also, if you have any comments, questions, or whatsoever, feel free to put them in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them. And for those of you who are enjoying the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, feel free to click that subscribe button. So up until then, I wish you all good health and see you on the next video. Until then, bye!